viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to install and activate Internet Download Manager 6.31 build 3. This video is only for educational purpose. If you like this software, please buy it and support the developer. So let's go. At first download the software and extract it. Here you will see a box for password. For password, please message our Facebook page. When you get password, enter it and click OK. Now open software folder, click install button, install exe file. Yes. Click next. Select I accept the license agreement and click next. Again click next. Next. Click finish. Okay. If you want to restart your system, click OK. After restarting your computer, now open crack folder, copy all file, select and copy all file. Now go to your desktop and select Internet Download Manager. So before you do this, you must exit Internet Download Manager from taskbar or task manager. You must exit Internet Download Manager icon from taskbar. Now open desktop shortcut icon and select. Now select desktop shortcut icon and click right button and click open file location. Here you paste your crack file. Now click replace and continue. After finish, copy patch file. Now select patch file and click mouse right button and run patch file using run as administrator. Click yes. Now hit patch button. Here you enter your first name, after you enter your first and last name, here you see a message patching done. Now click exit. Now open Internet Download Manager from desktop shortcut. Now click help about IDM 6.31 build 3. Now open browser and go to YouTube. Now open a video. There you will see a Internet Download Manager sidebar. Now hit the sidebar and select your video resolution. Now click start download. if you download a file, if you want to download a file, then open your file downloading website link and click to download your file option or download your file button. IDM will capture your download link automatically and start your download. So viewers, if you like this video, please share this video and subscribe our channel, and if you want to know something, just comment below and follow us on Facebook. Thank you.